In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit keywords on Google Ads. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, mastering the art of keyword editing can drastically improve your campaign's performance, ensuring your ads reach the right audience at the right time. Let's dive in and streamline your ad campaigns with a few easy steps. First, navigate your way to the Google Ads homepage. It's essential to start here as this serves as your dashboard, the control center for all your campaigns. If you're already logged in, you should see an overview of your account. If not, take a moment to sign in. Once you're on the overview page, your next move is to click on Campaigns. This button is your gateway to all your active and paused campaigns, giving you a bird's eye view of everything you're currently running. Remember, managing your campaigns effectively is key to achieving your marketing goals. After accessing the campaigns section, you're going to click on it again. This might seem redundant, but it ensures you've truly selected the campaign segment, offering you a more granular view of your marketing efforts. Now, this is where things get interesting. Within the campaign section, you have the power to select the specific campaign you wish to refine. Each campaign has its unique objectives, settings, and of course, keywords. Selecting a campaign will allow you to drill down further into its components, providing you with the opportunity to optimize each element for maximum performance. Once you've selected a campaign, it's time to zoom in even further by choosing the ad group you want to work on. Ad groups are essential components of your campaigns, grouping together your ads based on a shared set of keywords. This organization allows for more targeted and effective advertising. Identify the ad group that contains the keywords you wish to edit. Upon selecting the ad group, you'll want to click on Keywords. This action will bring you to the heart of your ad group, where the keywords that trigger your ads to appear are listed. Keywords are the linchpin of your campaigns, dictating when and where your ads are shown based on what potential customers are searching for online. Now that you're viewing your keywords, it's time to make edits that can sharpen your campaign's focus and improve its performance. To do this, look for the option to highlight or select the keywords you're interested in modifying. This step is crucial because it allows you to pinpoint exactly which keywords need refinement, without affecting the others unnecessarily. After selecting the keywords, click on Edit. This is where you can make your desired changes, whether it's modifying the keywords to target a different audience segment, adjusting for better relevance, or optimizing for search trends. The ability to edit your keywords gives you flexibility and control over your campaign's direction, allowing for real-time adjustments based on performance data and strategic shifts. As you navigate through these steps, remember that keyword optimization is an iterative process. It's all about refining and adjusting to find the perfect balance that connects your ads with your intended audience. The more precise and relevant your keywords are, the better your chances of achieving your advertising objectives. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind while editing your keywords. Niche. Always keep your campaign goals front and center. Your keywords should align with these objectives, whether it's driving sales, increasing web traffic, or building brand awareness. Consider using keyword variations and match types to cast a wider net or target more specifically, depending on your strategy. Regularly review your keyword performance. Google Ads provides valuable insights into which keywords are performing well and which are not, helping you make data-driven decisions. Don't forget about negative keywords. These are keywords you can exclude to prevent your ads from showing in searches that aren't relevant to your business. Editing keywords on Google Ads might seem daunting at first, but with some practice, it will become a routine part of your campaign optimization process. By following these steps and keeping your campaign goals in mind, you'll be well on your way to creating more effective targeted ad campaigns that speak directly to your desired audience.